Are you ready for the day full of musty, food, adventure and entertainment? From Lazeez Khana to some superb games, we are going to cover it all at just one place. Welcome to Pacific Mall NSP. Pacific Mall offers a one-stop shopping and entertainment destination with a wide range of retail stores, dining options and fun activities. So get ready for a day where I explore the best rooftop feasting, gaming, watch a movie and much more. हम सबसे पहले आ गए हैं Costa Coffee where I'll grab some coffee and brunch to start my day of life.
Costa Coffee जाना जाता है अपनी क्वालिटी कॉफी बीन्स के लिए एंड अपनी परफेक्ट कॉफी के साथ यू कैन ट्राई देयर croissants, sandwiches, wraps, muffins, brownies and much more.
I am trying their paneer tikka sandwich and latte coffee. Let's see how is it. Perfect way to start our day at Pacific Mall. Now that I'm fueled up, let's go to Funky Island and have some fun.
Funky Island is the perfect place for both kids and adults to let loose and have fun. From classic arcade games to modern favorites, there's something for everyone at Funky Island.
Oh my god! These games are so addictive. I think I can spend my entire day here and without even getting bored. Comment down below what's your favorite arcade game. मैं यहाँ 2 मिनट और रुकूंगी ना तो मुझे इस जगह से प्यार हो जाएगा और ये वीडियो पूरी नहीं हो पाएगी. That's why I think I should just stop it here and do some paid puja. Let's go. I am currently at NSP Skywalk and I'm going to Indus Flavour, which is famous for Indian vegetarian delicacies.
The restaurant not only serves the most delicious desi food in town but also offers an unparalleled 180-degree view of Delhi, making it the perfect place to indulge in some fine dining with a breathtaking backdrop. I am trying their kadak rumali, the desi platter, naan with paneer lababdar and dal makhani here. And trust me, Indus Flavour is not just a restaurant. ये एक culinary experience है that takes your taste buds on a journey through the vibrant and diverse flavors of India. And I can't imagine a better lunch to satisfy my hunger.
The NSP Skywalk has more options for rooftop dining experiences like House of Royal and Gravity by Pluto. But abhi movie ka time ho raha hai and I can't be late for this show. But you can bet, I'll come here again to try the delicious meal and enjoy the sunset view. For now, it's time for light, camera and action. Now I am at Cinepolis of Pacific NSP and I'm going to watch the most awaited movie. किसी का भाई, किसी की जान.
Now, if you're a true cinephile, you know कि movie देखना isn't just about sitting in a dark room and staring at a screen. It's about immersing yourself in the story, character के emotions और feelings को experience करना on the big screen. And that's why Cinepolis Cinema is more than just a movie theatre. Cinepolis Cinema ka sound experience can make you feel completely immersed in their movie with unparalleled sound quality by Dolby Atmos surround system. The crisp picture quality and the recliner seating will make you feel like you're part of the action. Or agar snacks ki baat kare, then indulge in their freshly baked cookies, popcorn or even a mouth-watering pizza from Gourmet Cafe while enjoying the latest blockbuster on the big screen.
Next stop is the bowling arena where I'm going to experience the ultimate fun at bowling lanes. I can't wait to get started.
Now, this exciting venue is the perfect place to hang out with your friends and family and enjoy some friendly competition. Chahe skilled bowler ho ya beginner, the bowling arena has something for everyone. इतने lively experience के बाद, I think I need some quality time to enjoy the sunset. And what's better than House of Royale for the perfect golden hour feel? This trendy restaurant is known for its fusion cuisine that blends flavors and ingredients from around the world. This stunning 180-degree view of Delhi is making this place a perfect spot for a romantic date or a special occasion. And to be honest, the House of Royale's menu is a foodie's dream come true. I'm trying the Hakka noodle sizzler and fruit custard, and that's absolutely divine.
What's a better way to end the day with some music and drinks at Gravity by Pluto?
Gravity by Pluto is a trendy bar and lounge known for its unique cocktails, delicious snacks, and vibrant nightlife scene. The bar has a modern and chic interior with comfortable seating and ambient lighting, making it the perfect place to wind up after a long day or to enjoy night out with your friends. I'm trying their signature drink Delta of Venuses and tiramisu shake dish. And just like the vibe, their drinks are also top-notch. So if you're planning a night out, then Gravity by Pluto is the place for you.
Undoubtedly, I had the best time at Pacific Mall while eating, gaming and watching movie. But that's not all, because Pacific Mall always comes up with new and exciting experiences. So what are you waiting for? Head to Pacific Mall now and experience the fun for yourself. Until then, keep watching Curly Tales for more such recommendations on where to eat, travel and stay. This is Muskan Singh signing off.